Hello everyone, welcome to Science Express. Now let's start current affairs capsule, daily current affairs, July, day 14. Recently, which of the following state government has launched second edition of single window system? Name of the state is छत्तीसगढ़. छत्तीसगढ़ राज्य सरकार ने एकल विंडो सिस्टम का दूसरा चरण स्टार्ट किया है. Purpose to facilitate speedy approval of various clearance required for setting up industry, and it offers more than 100 facilities from government. And who is the CM of Chhattisgarh? Vishnu Dev Sai, and Governor Vishwabhushan Harichandan. CM Vishnu Dev Sai. Recently, which of the following organization has introduced new soil health index to standardize soil quality assessment? The answer is UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Headquarter Paris, France. So UNESCO ने न्यू वर्ल्ड हेल्थ इंडेक्स लॉन्च किया टू स्टैंडर्डाइज सॉइल क्वालिटी असेसमेंट ग्लोबली. एंड रिसेंटली इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन सॉइल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन मोरक्को. Recently, Ministry of Commerce and Industry has targeted $100 billion electronics export by which of the following financial year? The answer is financial year 30. हाल ही में मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री ने निम्नलिखित में से किस वित्तीय वर्ष तक 100 बिलियन अमेरिकन डॉलर के इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स निर्यात का लक्ष्य रखा है? फाइनेंशियल ईयर 30. हमारे मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री के लिए मिनिस्टर कौन है? पीयूष गोयल. आवर लार्जेस्ट एक्सपोर्ट डेस्टिनेशन USA, देन UAE एंड नीदरलैंड. ओके. रिसेंटली हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग हैज assumed the presidency of Financial Action Task Force? The answer is Elisa de Anda Madrazo, and she is from Mexico, and for 2 years from July 2024 to 10th June 2026. And FATF headquarter Paris. It imposed sanction on country after monitoring the terrorism and money laundering cases. So FATF के ने प्रेसिडेंट के रूप में किसे नियुक्त किया गया है? एलिसा डे एंडा मेड्राजो. Recently, Dhruv Sitawala has won 2024 Asian Billiards Championship. This championship was organized at which of the following places? The answer is Riyadh. It is the capital of Saudi Arabia. And in women category, Anupama Ramachandran. Where is the headquarter of Asian Billiards and Snooker Championship? The answer is Doha in Qatar. Recently, India has unveiled Zorawar light tank aimed at bolstering military capabilities in high altitude environments. This tank is developed jointly by which of the following organization? The answer is DRDO and L&T, Larsen and Toubro. Where is the headquarter of DRDO? New Delhi. DRDO, Defense Research Developmental Organization. And who is the chairman? Samir V. Kamant, and DRDO established in 1958. Okay. And engine made by American company Cummins, and its capacity about 750 horsepower. Okay. Recently, Rachel Reeves has become the first woman finance minister of which of the following countries? हाल ही में रैचल रीव्स में निम्नलिखित में से किस देश की पहली महिला वित्त मंत्री बन गई? The answer is United Kingdom, UK. And recently, new PM in UK, Keir Starmer, and he is from Labour Party and got 411 seats out of 650. Okay, and replaced Rishi Sunak. Recently, Philippines and which of the following countries have signed reciprocal access agreement? that allow their military forces to enter each other's country more easily? The answer is Japan. And Japan, it also signed with Australia, and Philippines is second country. And India and Japan recently organized GMAX exercise, Japan India Maritime Exercise, and INS Shivalik participated in this exercise. Recently, Harbour system Swaminathan, a new species of litter-dwelling jumping spider, has been discovered from which of the following state? Name of the state is Kerala, southwestern Ghat of Kerala, and it named after the great scientist M.S. Swaminathan, and he is a father of Green Revolution in India. Kozhikode city in Kerala is known as a literature city of India by UNESCO. Okay, and state animal of Kerala is elephant, and CM Pinarayi Vijayan and Governor Arif Muhammad Khan. Recently, Indian Navy is exploring Computer S-100 for enhancing maritime surveillance in Indian Ocean region. Computer S-100 is being produced by which of the following companies? कंप्यूटर S-100 की उत्पादन निम्नलिखित में से किस कंपनी द्वारा किया जा रहा है? द आंसर इज सीबेल. इट इज ए ऑस्ट्रियन कंपनी and capital of Austria is Vienna. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Science Express. Thank you.